A warm welcome to everyone. I am Haripriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So in this video, we are going to see about the fiber which is from fiber to yarn. So what are all the process in between? It has been differentiated here and it has been explained here. So this is called as art of spinning. So in this stage, the spinning transforms then the unbundled fibers into continuous. So there is a fiber, if it is directly collected from the cultivated from the plants and it was formed into different forms. So first stage is about fiber. So after the fiber stage it was converted into yarn. So converting the fiber to yarn is mainly called as spinning. So in this spinning methods there are different varieties and there are different stages are there. So it has been given and explained about in this video. The final preparation of converting roving into continuous. So there are two types of fibers are there, one is spun and another one is filament. So there are two types of fibers are there. So naturally cultivating from plants and other plant materials, vegetable fibers are all called as spun fibers, and the fiber which is taken from the animals, mainly the silk, it is naturally a filament fiber. Filament is nothing but a lengthy strand. It does not have any end and it is a continuous form. So it is called as filament fibers. So in this the complete yarn production has been given here. So in this there are opening and cleaning. So opening and cleaning, which means from directly we are cultivating from the plants, and in between this it is called as opening and cleaning. So after cultivating the fibers and it was stored in the places. After that the raw cotton, it is called as directly cultivated and it is formed in a form of bales. It is a cube like forms. So it was given from that places and then it was gone for mixing and blending. So after taking the fibers it was segregated and then it was formed into different places. So after the bales then it was given to the blow room process. In the blow room it was fully open, the bales are in a cube form, it was compressed. Then the next stage it was given in a cube has been open and it was given to the blow room process. In the blow room process it will get mixed. So all the graded fibers are mixed and it was blended so that they will get a clear form of cotton. So all the fibers has to be mingled and it was given in a proper form. So this is a process in mixing and blending. Then it was given in the carding process. So the carding is about it was given with the big rollers. So once the mixing and blending process has been completed, it was given to the carding process. In the carding it is a bed shaped form. So the cotton has been compressed in a bed shaped form, then it was passed through different rollers with different sizes and different speed, and the opposite direction has been given. So the carding process, after the carding process the fibers has been splitted into different forms, that is different it was splitted into 6 frames. So it is called as drawing process, and the splitted fibers are given in a tube form, it is called as sliver. So in the sliver it was in a tube form like a thread in a bigger shape, it was given, it is called as drawing process. So after that the drawing has been done, then it was given to the roving process. In the roving, after the drawing process, the slivers are stored in a big containers. So after the containers has been taken and the container has been given in a different was taken and it was given into a 6 different forms so that it can be splitted into 6 strands. So a single from a drawing process has been taken and it was splitted into 6 strands, it is called as roving. So after the roving process, again the sliver has been taken, the thin sliver has been processed as twisted one, so it is given as a yarn. So in the spinning process the twisting has been done. There are two types of twisters are there, S twist and Z twist. So it has been used in the different forms. So next process is carding. So the carding foundation of the quality, it is given in the separation, alignment, condensing, cleaning, all those steps has been done in carding process. As that I will told that before, it is given in a bed form. After that the bed has been splitted into 6. Before splitting the process there are 4 stages are there. One is separation, another one is alignment, then condensing and cleaning. Those 4 steps has been done in the carding process. Next one is carding machine. This is the carding machine. So the main, it has multiple cylinders like rollers. The fibers has been passed in between it, so that it will get a different clear form of the fiber. Next one is mainly the combing. What is the combing process? And it is an optional process, because the short fibers has been taken and it was removed. If it is needed, we can blend it with different forms, and then we can go on with another byproduct. So it is mainly concentrated in blending process. So the combing is mainly done to give the fibers in a proper form, proper length and proper strands, so that it won't be given any puckering effect, it won't have any issues on that. So we can avoid those problems. Mainly this is done for the combing is a mainly premium process, but it is an optional one. If we need, we can go on, or else we can skip those process and we can go on with next. After carding, we can go on with drawing and roving process. Next, the card drawing and perfect fibers, linear density reproduction, fiber orientation, uniformity and blending. Mainly the drawing concentrated on those things. Doubling, so this is an evening the fibers, it is a main concept used in the blending process. Roving, so finally the roving, it is an intermediate interlock roving frame, it is a mainly concentrated in a blending process and making in a proper form. So this is the basic and outline of the blending and spinning process. Thank you.